Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun. This is the brightness icon or screen brightness icon, and to change the screen brightness simply tap on this icon like this. As you can see, if you keep tapping on this icon you will toggle between different levels of brightness. So select the brightness you like, and then you can basically exit the quick panel by pressing the side button like this. You can also adjust the screen brightness through the settings on your watch. So let's open the quick panel again, tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's tap on display option, and here tap on brightness. And here we can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of levels of brightness. Basically select the one you like and then tap on check mark to confirm and apply it like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.